I'm going to show you the only 2 eyeshadows that I used for this look. Only 2, no eyeliner. It's just easy, it's simple. Okay, so first I took my busted bronzer. If you can see it, this is the Bronze Goddess. It's the Matte and Glow Bronzing Trio from Estee Lauder. I just take the little scraps that's left and I go right here, right in this little corner of my eye, under my brow, out towards my temple and under my lash line. I like to make the bottom lash a little bit darker just because it adds a little bit more drama. So what I do is I take a bit of a taupey kind of brown, go back in, same brush, very easy, go back in. Then I take a smaller brush and I just go right underneath, right under my lashes. Perfect. This look is super easy and you can wear it in the winter or the summer, just anytime you want a really beautiful bronzy glow. I hope you guys enjoyed.